Here's a little 14-inch box fan I got off eBay, and I don't think I've made a video of it yet, so here we go. 3-speed. I had to get a new handle, but I found one. Both grills in mint condition. It's got a little Lakewood motor in it, so we all know it's a Lakewood. And it is model number K-14X, manufactured by Lakewood Engineering and Manufacturing Company, Chicago, Illinois, 6067. And I put tape over that all the time so that you can keep it protected. But it's actually a good little fan. Here's low. Medium. I guess my light just went out. Alright. Here's the spin down. And I polished these blades up pretty good. I use it here and there. See, the blade's got a good shine to them. And that's my 14-inch Kmart box fan.